Hello guys, Lee the Spray here again, okay? And yes, I haven't got my overalls on again. I've been doing a little bit of sanding, nice sanding. I'm going to show you something. Oh, it's down by there. It's just down by there. I'm going to show, there it is again. So anyway, bit of sanding going on in there, some lessons going up there and all the rest of it. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, guys, look at that. Let me just hold that for you. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Now this has got, that's Abigail singing in there as well. This has got the extra large silver sparkle, okay? And we've left the centerpiece as a band through there, extra large silver, so it's a real fat glistening. And then what we have done is to put this beautiful lime green top and bottom band in like that. Now you can have any color pretty much. You can have black, you can have, because they're all see-through, it's a candy style paint, so it's see-through. So you can have purples, blues, reds, greens, blacks. We could even mix and match, and you can have that on the silver, or you could have it over copper and so on. So again, it's endless. And that is terrific, guys. So that's it now. So I'm going to clip this video and edit it because I'm going to show you it on the drum as it is. This is a Ludwig brick snare drum. You can see it's super thick. It's a nice snare drum actually, good, well-made shell. Look at that, solid. So look at that, guys. And we're going to be doing more of these specials. We're going to get lots of nice snares through the system for you to have, because they are just, I love it. And when you walk past, it's just like bang, just catches you, really catches you. Let's put it together, guys. Lee the Spray here with the Ludwig t-shirt on now for part 2 of that beautiful snare. So we've assembled it, so I'll try and be as steady as I can with hands while I'm lifting. And look, now that we've assembled it, I'll just sit it on the edge very gently like that. And now you can see it is what we call epic, guys. So it's a Ludwig epic brick snare drum. Came to us, but the colour was a little bland. So we thought, you know what, let's jazz it up and let's make somebody's dream come true and they can own that. And it is a really nice little drum. Whoops, sorry, there you are. A real nice little drum, guys. But it is stunning. So there's a couple of quick photographs coming on as well. Don't forget, you can have this in purple, green, blue, red, orange, yellow, whatever you want, will go on there on the silver sparkle, or even on other things like a copper sparkle, like a metal sparkle, and you can add some flavor of color on. It's pretty much endless. You can have what you want. Prices are great. Get in touch with us at Cariad Custom Drums, okay, guys? And spoil yourself by having a beautiful snare drum. Fantastical. See you soon. Take care. Have a check these pictures out and subscribe for more and more vids relating to colors. Okay? Like for an example, color matching. Always loads to do. See you later, guys. Take care. Bye.